That was perfect, dude. That was awesome. That was perfect.
Did you see that?
Yeah. What's going on? Welcome back to the channel, boys and girls. We're out here at Old Box Canyon for another rip. What's going on?
Well, got the new tire on here. It actually requires a little bit of extra air before you start riding. So they make it specifically designed so that it kind of seeps out over time.
That's good.
That way it doesn't stay overpressure or anything like that. So just adding a little bit before we hit the trails.
No big deal. Moral of the story, boys and girls, if you're replacing a tire, it's good to just put a $13 tube in it and be done. But hey, speaking of tires, woo-wee! Man, look at the loins on her. Hey, first ride, number one. I just want you guys to know, look at this, seriously. Look at them little nubbies on there. First ride on the old girl. I ain't bragging, but the old Maxxis Desert IT is gonna go for its maiden voyage. Also, what the heck is this?
Well, so we've actually never seen this before in Arizona.
Yeah.
It's some kind of white crystalline substance. It's kind of cold.
It looks terrible.
It works a little bit like sand or something like that, but I don't know. We'll see.
Gives you some traction. All right, well, we'll see how it goes. Oh, one more thing, man. We bought all of the stuff recently. Look at this. We are now sponsored VP Racers. Special thanks or a shout out to our very first channel sponsor. Honestly, it's me. I bought it. So, all right. Better luck next time. See you on the trail.
See ya.
Chase, get your bike fired up. Pennsylvania today. Just kidding. It's Tucson. You wouldn't think it though. You know, if Joy were here with us, he'd still have 5th gear pegged right now. We aren't that brave though. Whoa! Yeah, we're gonna wreck for sure. This is awesome.
Look at this, dude.
We're riding dirt bikes in the midst of it all.
This is crazy.
In the deep stuff, the pow. You know, we could totally ski behind this stuff.
Straight ice. What in the world are we doing?
is how Amish people ride bikes.
We're not getting back up this, are you kidding?
I just laid her down here so she could take a nap. Here comes Oki. Hey, don't hit my bike! Oh my. Well, we're making it.
Man. Ready for this? Alright. Look at all that snow. You see our ski bikes, we actually installed these nice skis on the front. You look at them, they just kind of slide over the snow, you know, ice and everything like that. We added some extra weight down here in the centers. This kind of helps make it a little more smooth.
Seriously, there's like 8 inches of snow on these roads. It's hilarious.
The old,
we decided to turn around because we're scared if we keep going,
they're not
we're not going to get back out. So it's cracking me up. Whoa, that rock almost got me. So I definitely told him that we could, oh yeah, we'll make it back out, but this hill right here, I'm pretty sure we're not gonna make it. Oh man. Positivity though. I'm gonna go for it. Oh yeah! You dumped it! I'm so proud! Slow down. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! This is so funny. Woo! Alright, get up here real close. We got to do this one. Perfect. There's the thumbnail, baby! Man.